Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play F1 on controller. First, let's optimize your controller settings for a better experience. Adjust steering linearity to around 0 for smoother turns. Set brake saturation to about 80 to prevent wheel lockup. Fine-tune throttle linearity to 20 for precise acceleration. Enabling medium traction control will also provide better grip out of corners, helping you maintain control and speed through challenging sections of the track. Next, let's understand the driving assists available. Traction control is crucial for managing power, especially on corner exits. Anti-lock brakes prevent your wheels from locking up, ensuring stable braking. The Racing Line Assist guides you on the optimal path, showing braking and acceleration points. An automatic gearbox simplifies gear changes, letting you focus on steering and throttle control, which is very helpful for new players. Once comfortable, explore advanced techniques to shave off seconds. Practice smooth, gradual inputs for consistent lap times, avoiding sudden movements. Master trail braking to carry more speed into corners, a key skill for competitive racing. Strategically utilize ERS and DRS for effective overtakes and defending positions. Also, learn to manage tire wear and fuel consumption throughout the race, which is vital for long-term success. Finally, consistent practice is key to becoming a better F1 driver. Spend ample time in time trial mode to learn each track layout and find your rhythm. Analyze telemetry data to pinpoint areas where you can improve your driving. Watching professional drivers can offer valuable insights and new techniques to try. As your skill level improves, gradually reduce driving assists to gain more control and achieve faster lap times.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.